How to fix Instagram error problem. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have in your mobile phone. So all what you want to do is very simple. Just wait a few seconds and then scroll all the way down until you find Instagram. Click on Instagram like that and then click on force stop. After that, go to the notifications management. Make sure that every single notification right here is enabled, as you can see. If it's not, then you have to enable it. Go back and then click on the storage. Click on clear data and click on delete. After you clear the data, go back and click on the power usage details. Click down here on force stop. After that, go back to the settings again. Go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 2 minutes and disable it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.